Today, we have a new challenge. Instead of printing the name of the employee out of optional, we need to print the city name of the employee. So you will say, okay, Abhishek, it's not difficult. Instead of printing the name of employee here, what we can do is we can print the city name. So we can directly say it something like this, get city. But the point is, this is not going to work because city is available within the address. So first of all, let's try to print the address here. So if I say address here and let's execute the code. So on executing the code, you will see that it is printing optional ID2 and city as Kolkata. Now the requirement is we only need to print Kolkata out of this. So let's see how we can do. So for this, first of all, we need to bring the content out of the optional object. For this, you will say, okay, it's not a big deal. And what we can do is we can say it's something like this. We are going to say here optional, then we are going to say colon, and then we are going to say here get. This way, we will be getting the object out of the optional. And now the requirement is that I just want to print the name. So I will be using this same thing again. And this time I'm going to say address colon, and then I'm going to say here city. So now if I will execute, you will see it is going to work fine. So this is one way of doing the things with the help of map. There is one more way also. So let me show. First of all, let me copy the same thing again here. Now you see that currently we made usage of map method 3 times. First of all, just to get the address, then to get address out of the optional, and then to get a city. What we can do is we can merge these first two things. Instead of saying map here, what we can do is we can make usage of flatMap. And when we are going to say flatMap, then directly it is going to bring the address out of the optional. So now if you will execute the code, you will see it is directly printing Kolkata. So what we did, first of all, we invoked the flatMap method, and then directly we are saying map to get the city out of the address. So this way you see what's the difference between a flat map and a map. Do like the video if you learned something new today. Thanks.